All parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the United Nations and international human rights organizations to put pressure on India to release all Kashmiri political detainees, including all party Hurriyat Conference leadership stuffed under inhuman conditions in jails of India and the occupied territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said India cannot suppress the freedom sentiment of the Kashmiri people through illegal detention, arrests and harassment. Indian police during a checking operation arrested a businessman and seized 9.35 lakh rupees from him in Ramban district. The Indian police during its routine harassment checking intercepted a car which was on its way from Ramban to Dharam and without any reason seized money from a businessman named Tariq Ahmed. Congress party has demanded a white paper on the Pulwama attack after the stunning revelations made by the former governor Satyapal Malik in an interview that the Central Reserve Police Force troops became easy targets as the Narendra Modi government denied their request to travel by aircraft from Jammu to Srinagar. Addressing a joint press conference at the party headquarters, Congress leaders raised serious questions for the Modi government about the lapses that resulted in the death of 40 CRPF troops at Pulwama in February 2019. A man, reportedly an ex-serviceman, shot himself and his wife in Kishtwar district. According to Kashmir Media Service, police officials said that Ghulam Hussain shot his wife and later shot himself with 12-bore rifle in Thakri area of the district. The lady survived, but the man is now critical. A flock of sheep grazing at an island in Wooler Lake drowned when water level rose suddenly. At least body of 70 sheep were recovered by the shepherds, while 80 are still missing in North Kashmir's Bandipora district. India's Human Rights Commission has issued a notice to the police in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh over the killing of former MP Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf when they were being escorted by the police in Allahabad. Ahmed and Ashraf were shot dead at point-blank range by three men posing as journalists in the middle of a media interaction when police personnel were escorting them to a nearby medical college for a checkup.